puppy. You gotta leave that on there. Just go.
Here she comes. She's going to get Dolly. Oh my God. You guys.
Little mini Nicole.
Huh? Little Minnie. There's the little Minnie. Do you want to take that and throw it for her?
Yeah.
Here.
Oh,
Take it. You throw that for Dolly. Look at that. She's going to bring it right back to you.
Look at that.
Tell her to drop.
back. For me. Please, for me.
Sure.
Yeah, you can have your turn.
Oh, share, girl. Stealth.
Oh yeah, we're going to share it.
You gotta throw it. You gotta throw it. I know, she'll get you.
Yeah, she's going to try to get it from you. She's going to knock you over if you don't throw it.
Okay, you do it. You do it. Good throw. Nice. Yeah. Come here, Mom. There you go. You gotta throw it though, okay? Give it a good toss, though.
There you go, Stella. What do you think, Dolly? You like playing with the girls?
Alright,
You gotta throw it. Throw it far. Throw it that way. Oh, good throw.
Yeah, she got it. She always gets it.
Ready?
They're going to play keep away now. Oh boy. Keep away. They'll never get it.